Today we want to look at the female reproductive system, the parts and the function. You have to draw it, then we give the parts and their function. You have to draw it first. We want to identify the parts, then give the function. This one is the fallopian tube. This one is the ovary. We have two ovaries, two fallopian tube. We have one ovary here, singular ovary. We have the cervix. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus. We have the uterus cavity. Uterus. We have the vagina. The endometrium. This is the endometrium. We have it in this side. You could have the vulvas. Now, let us look at the parts and their function. This is the ovary. The ovary have different functions. One of them, it produces the ovums or the egg cells. This is the gonad, which produces the gamete. That's the egg cell in the female. So, as we know, when female reach at the age of puberty, there are some hormones that assist in the releasing of the eggs from the ovaries. We have the estrogen, progesterone, we have luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. But that is one of the function of the ovaries. It helps in the production of the female gamete, which is the egg cell. It also helps in the production of the two hormones that are released from here, that is estrogen and progesterone. Those are other hormones that can be released from the ovary, or it's another function of the ovary. There are two ovaries. That's they perform different function. Progesterone can help in the maintenance of pregnancy, and the estrogen can help in the development of the secondary sexual characteristics in female, like the development of the breast, and so on and so forth. Egg is released from the ovaries, and fertilization occurs at the fallopian tube, this place, or oviduct. Here is where fertilization occurs. When an egg is released from the ovaries, it has to move to the fallopian tube. This is a place where fertilization occurs. That is, the sperm have to fuse with the egg at this place. There is a tube. The fallopian tube, the other name is oviduct. So if a woman happens to have sexual intercourse, the sperm cells have to travel and move to the fallopian tube where fertilization occurs. Yes, a zygote will be formed, then that fertilized egg have to implant. So at the uterus and the endometrium. So at the lining of the uterus, implantation occurs at the endometrium, and looking at it at the uterus is where the development of the embryo takes place at the uterus. In some cases, if implantation fail, that is, the fertilized egg fail to move to the uterus where the fertilized egg supposed to develop, cell division will occur. That is, after fertilization, mitosis, different stages will occur. If that one fail, an ectopic pregnancy can occur. That is, pregnancy outside the uterus. In most cases, it develop in zygote will occur at the fallopian tube. That is ectopic pregnancy. So uterus is where the embryo develop. It can be also called the womb. You can call the womb. So we have the cervix. Is the lower part of the uterus. This one can produce cervical mucus. It can lubricate the vagina during sexual intercourse. The, the cervical mucus can also help the sperm to survive in the female reproductive system for a number of days, in some cases 3 to 5 days. We have the vagina. It's a muscular structure where uh, the it's just a birth canal, and it also have another function. Menstrual blood pass through it. It also receives the penis during sexual intercourse. So these are few of the parts and functions of the female reproductive system. There are so many other parts that have not been mentioned. Like you have the vulva, that's where you have the labia majora and the labia minora, those the lips. Presently, is just an overview of the female reproductive system, how you identify the parts and some of them, their function. Yes. At other lesson, we may go into details. It's just a summary of the female reproductive system. Let's make a quick recap. Ovaries. We have ovary here. There are two. They produce the egg cell or ova. They also produce the female hormones, progesterone and estrogen. Fallopian tube is a tube where fertilization occurs, and also a passage of a fertilized egg to the uterus. Uterus is where the embryo develops, is where the baby develops at the uterus. Then the vagina is a birth canal. It also menstrual blood also pass through it. It also receive the penis during sexual intercourse. At the endometrium implantation can occur there. That is when the embryo get attached to the wall of the uterus. So you follow me for more and learn as we proceed to teach you in the sciences, sometimes physics area, biology, chemistry, different classes. Thank you so much.